Hi, my name is Mikiala. I've been lashing for 6 years now. This channel is dedicated to all things lashes and beauty. If you haven't already, click the subscription link below. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to place a lash extension. The perfect way to place a lash extension is going to be 1 to 2 millimeters away from the lash line. You want to make sure to place the extension away from the lash line because if you place it on the skin, it will cause redness and irritation and discomfort for your client. One tip, if you're using a slow dry time glue, you want to make sure to hold the extension in place to avoid it from sliding to the side. It's also super important for the client's lash health to maintain good isolation while placing extension. So I want to show you proper placement on my mannequin head. First, you want to make sure to isolate properly. Isolate where you want to place your lash. And I'm going to grab my fan and slightly dip it into your glue while keeping isolation. And then place the lash 1 to 2 millimeters away from the lash line, like so. And remember, if you're using a slower glue, make sure to hold the lash in place while maintaining isolation for an extra 1 to 2 seconds. When it comes to placing, make sure to keep that 1 to 2 millimeters away from the lash line and keep good isolation so you can make bomb sets. Do you have any other questions about lash placement? Leave them in the comments below and we'll see you in the next video.